discipline, focus, power. No excuses. Build, rise, grind, strength, control. But muscle builds the body. AI builds the empire. Looks impressive, right?
In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create prompts, a full step-by-step guide using completely free AI tools so you can start a YouTube evergreen fitness niche that is easier to get views and much easier to get approved to the YouTube Partner Program. In other words, a niche that's easier to monetize. But here's where it gets interesting. The channel Poorman.monetize gets only 14 videos. They already have 19.6K subscribers, and their estimated monthly earnings are between $1K and $4K. Another channel, Rip Coach, posted just 11 videos. In 1 month, they were already approved for YouTube Partner Program, making about $406 to $1,000 per month. If they can do it, you can absolutely do it too. And here's the crazy part. Then channels like Yellow Dude had about 107 videos and had grown to 1.44 million subscribers. But their early videos from 5 years ago, honestly, they didn't really explode. It wasn't until they uploaded a video using AI to generate visually striking shots that the channel suddenly went viral. That was the turning point. And the best part, you can create a channel like this using completely free AI tools, which saves you a lot of money, especially if you're just starting out. Right now, their estimated income is somewhere between $12,000 and $35,000 per month. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Honestly, it's well-deserved for the creators' persistence, creativity, and consistency. They're not the only ones. There are many fitness channels using AI like this, and their income is definitely not small.
For example, Mr. Bald Workout 45 videos, about 102,000 subscribers. Estimated income, $5,000 to $15,000 per month. Captain Workout 63 videos, around 500,000 subscribers. Estimated income, $5,000 to $15,000 per month. This channel mostly uses simple images, but the videos still go very viral. So in this video, I'm going to show you
how to create prompts for this niche, how to build a prompt template for your viral video scripts to increase viewer retention and engagement. And of course, I'll also show you the full step-by-step process to create a fitness AI video like the ones on channels such as Yellow Dude. Don't skip any steps in this tutorial because every single step is a critical piece of the puzzle for creating a viral video like the pros. All right, let's get started. Step 1, create a simple brand guideline. This includes font, color codes, main character, channel mission. This step helps increase brand recognition and makes your channel look much more professional. And honestly, almost nobody talks about this. Most people just jump straight into finding prompts, making videos, and uploading them. But they skip this step. And that's like trying to build a house without a foundation. So here's what we'll ask ChatGPT this.
You can pause the screen here, take a screenshot, and paste it into ChatGPT to have it rewrite this section. Then you simply paste screenshots of big channels in this niche and example characters from their videos. Then hit enter. Now we choose a channel name that we like. Save the fonts and color codes ChatGPT suggested. And also save the prompt for generating the main character. Step 2. Generate the main character. We test the prompt first. You can generate multiple times until you find a character you really like. If you want to adjust something, maybe the style or details, just ask ChatGPT to refine the prompt. Or you can just ask directly on Flow until you get the character you want. Once you get the perfect character, save both, the prompt, the image, because this character will appear in all videos on your fitness channel. Here's the character I generated. Looks impressive, huh?
Step 3. Find video topics. We'll give ChatGPT topics from popular videos on big channels and let it analyze why those topics performed well. Then it will generate new topic ideas for your channel.
You can pause the screen here, take a screenshot, and paste it into ChatGPT to have it rewrite this section. So we ask ChatGPT, act like a fitness expert with many years of experience. Create a prompt template so that whenever I give you 10 to 20 viral topics from big channels in the fitness niche, you analyze why they performed well and suggest 10 new topic ideas with strong viral potential. Now we have a prompt template. Let's test it. I paste about 20 viral topics from popular videos on Yellow Dude and Captain Workout, then press enter. And boom, now we have 20 new topic ideas. Make sure you save both the topics and the prompt template.
Step 4, create the video script prompt template. This step is extremely important because it determines how long viewers stay on your video. The best way to do this? Study large channels in the same niche. Let's check Captain Workout.
Open one of their newest videos. Then go to the video description, scroll down, and click Transcript. On the right side, you'll see the entire video script. Important, do not copy it. YouTube could treat that as copyright infringement. We're only studying their structure. Look at this. The first 39 seconds introduce a problem, something that hits the viewer's pain point. Then they acknowledge that pain so the viewer feels understood. Next comes how to fix the problem. This is basically selling the dream to the audience. And after that, they explain the actual steps. But here's what makes it interesting. Their script shares real knowledge, but the tone is funny, humorous, friendly, and conversational. You can use this process with several other channels to find the common formula. Then we ask AI to create our script prompt template. So here's what I tell ChatGPT. You can pause the screen here, take a screenshot, and paste it into ChatGPT to have it rewrite this section. Then press Enter. Read the prompt carefully and adjust if needed. Now let's test the prompt. I enter one topic, press Enter, and now we just sit back, maybe drink some tea, and let ChatGPT write the script. Let me skim through this script. It has hook, body, ending humorous, curiosity triggers, emotion tags. Perfect. Voiceover. This part is super easy. Go to 11 Labs, select English with American accent. Listen to a few voices and choose one that sounds strong and energetic.
I choose Jeff. Classy, resonating, and strong voice. I like it.
Then go to text-to-speech, paste the script. Maximum 5,000 characters per input. Move the slider toward creative, click Enter, wait a few seconds, listen. Sounds good. Download.
Visual prompts. Now I'll show you how to create visual prompts for the video. First, decide the style. Do you want something like Captain Workout or Yellow Dude?
Captain Workout uses static images. Yellow Dude actually animates the character. So let's follow Yellow Dude's style. Remember the character we created earlier? Now we upload that character image to ChatGPT. Then we ask, you can pause the screen here, take a screenshot, and paste it into ChatGPT to have it rewrite this section. Now we press Enter and wait for the prompt template. Let's test it. Sometimes, if the script is too long, ChatGPT cannot generate all prompts for the whole video at once, so we may need to split the script into sections. For this demo, I'll only input the intro hook. Copy script, paste, enter. And ta-da! Here are the prompts.
Generate images. Now we copy each prompt and go to Google Flow. I already explained in another video how to get free credits for Flow, so check that video if you need it.
Choose Image, Landscape, one image at a time, Model, Nano Banana 2. Then press Enter. Repeat for all prompts. Make sure to label the files with numbers so you don't get confused later. I usually generate images in 2K resolution. Generating 4K takes too long, and this type of video doesn't need cinematic quality, so 1K or 2K is totally fine. Quick note for those of you who are still getting familiar with Flow. When you generate images, if you want the character and environment to stay consistent, you need to keep visual continuity between shots. So if the current shot is related to the previous shot, make sure to add the previous image into the prompt. That way, the AI understands the context and generates the scene exactly the way you want. Generate video.
When you generate the video, click Reuse Prompt. Then delete the old image. Right-click the image you just created, or click the three dots on it and select Add to Prompt. Choose Video, select how many videos you want to generate each time, pick VO 3.1 Fast, and press Enter. Then just repeat the same process for the rest of the images. Now, if you want videos like the Captain Workout channel, the process is really simple. You only need to generate the images, and then we'll turn those images into a video during editing. But if you want videos like the Yellow Dude channel, then you'll need to generate videos directly from those images. If you want the character to have a normal mouth and nose like in the Mr. Bald Workout channel, just reuse the image prompt we used earlier. Click Reuse Prompt, delete the old image, then click that image again and choose Add to Prompt. That's it. Now, if you want the character to have no mouth and no nose like the style used in the Yellow Dude channel, you need to replace the word he in the prompt with the phrase, a faceless, mannequin-like, muscular training figure with a completely smooth face, no nose, no mouth, no eyebrows, no facial features, and no facial expressions. All emotions shown only through body language.
Try to keep the workflow simple and save time. What I usually do is just reuse the prompt and animate the image.
Background music. For background music, you can simply use YouTube Creator Music inside YouTube Studio. There are many options. Generate music, pay license fees, free music, revenue sharing. If you're a beginner trying to minimize cost, you don't need Suno or other music platforms. Just use this feature from YouTube.
Or use Gemini to create music. Try this prompt.
Video editing. For editing, I use CapCut because it's easy. Upload, clips, voiceover, background music. Then go to the editing timeline and arrange clips according to the script. Unlike Ghibli-style videos or typical 2D finance videos, editing content in the fitness niche requires a lot more creativity. So make sure you take your time and edit the videos carefully. The background you use in the video should match the color in each video clip or the brand guidelines. It should also stay consistent across all the videos, so the channel keeps a clean and recognizable visual style. For example, I'll just have Flow generate a background using the same background I screenshot from each 8-second clip. Add text if needed. Add effects and transitions. If one sentence needs multiple shots, simply combine them. You can also remove backgrounds using auto remove, or adjust colors using HSL to match your background color. Once everything is finished, click Export. You can export in 4K even if the original footage is 1080p. This helps YouTube deliver your video in higher resolution options, which improves viewing quality. Most viewers never change resolution manually. They just watch whatever YouTube recommends.
To make your videos more engaging, you can create some images that are a little funny or unique, then save them and reuse them in future videos. These kinds of images help illustrate and emphasize the point you're trying to make, just like the way Yellow Dude or Captain Workout often do.
You can simply screenshot this one, drop it into ChatGPT, and have it describe the frames in the image. Then you can generate similar images in Flow, or use this prompt in the comment to create more interesting images like these.
Create the video title and thumbnail. All right, now let's talk about something that can literally make or break your video, your title and thumbnail. Because here's the truth. Even the best video in the world won't get views if nobody clicks on it. And this is where most creators mess up. They spend hours making the video, but only a few minutes thinking about the title and thumbnail. So here's what we're going to do instead.
We're going to learn directly from the biggest channels in this niche. First, take screenshots of the recent videos from large fitness AI channels. Capture both the titles and thumbnails. Then, paste those screenshots into ChatGPT and give it this instruction.
So now we have our prompt template. This sounds simple, but instead of guessing titles, we're now using data from viral videos. Now let's catch the prompt.
I enter the required information: the video script, the main character portrait, the font name, the brand colors. Then press enter. Now let's see what happens. Boom! ChatGPT generates 5 different clickable titles. I'll choose this one right here. And here is the thumbnail prompt it generated. Now I copy that prompt and go into Flow. I generate 4 images at a time. Press enter. Wait a few seconds, and that's it. Now we have everything ready. If you're not happy with the thumbnail yet, just generate the meta prompt again and get a new thumbnail prompt until you find one you like.
From zero to a complete YouTube video. Pretty cool, right? And here is a snippet of the final video.
If you've been bench pressing for months, maybe even years, and your chest still looks flat, uneven, or just refuses to grow, you're not alone. And here's the crazy part. Most people think the solution is simple. Just bench more weight. But if that actually worked, every guy in the gym with a big ego and a heavy bench would have a massive chest. And we both know that's not the case. In fact, the reason your chest isn't growing might have nothing to do with how strong you are. It might be how you're using your chest in the first place. Today, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes killing your chest gains, and more importantly, how to fix them so your chest finally starts growing. And trust me, the third mistake is the one almost everyone makes.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me what topic you want me to cover next. I'll collect your suggestions and include them in future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.